till I OD. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I've been working for.
Good afternoon from the Philippines in Boracay. Now, today is our last day here in Boracay, our last full day. Unfortunately, we leave tomorrow morning. It has been fantastic. Today we've just sat by the beach, had lots of swimmings, swam a lot. Now we're actually supposed to go parasailing today, but because it was really windy, they cancelled it on us and gave us a full refund. Anyway, we're back at the hotel. We're now chilling by the pool. This is the first time we've actually used the pool because we've just been using the beach. The beach is literally like 10 meters away. But yeah, we're just chilling by the pool, ordered some lunch, and tomorrow morning we're off to Manila and then staying at Tal Vista Hotel, which is north, about an hour north from, or south from Manila, for a wedding we're attending. So we're going to be there for 3 more nights. But yeah, let's go get some lunch.
How are you, sir?
Very good, thank you.
Good. Enjoy this, sir. Popcorn, sir?
Popcorn, ooh. Free popcorn. Eat popcorn. I'll grab one, okay. Thank you. Honey. So my lunch is here. I ordered nachos, it looks fantastic. Free popcorn. Gina's ordered the seafood marinara linguine. I don't know why I'm doing this, but anyway, because it's Italian maybe. Really light as well. It's good.
Anything with the seafood is good.
We just finished our lunch. Gina is now in the Swan, enjoying herself, and I'm just sitting here just resting up because I had a lot of nachos. So yeah, have a look at Gina. What I do want to say about this hotel is that the staff here are absolutely fantastic. I may have said it before in a couple of vlogs previous to this one, but the service is phenomenal. So good. They treat you, it's amazing. The hotel manager lent me her laptop so I could transfer my images from this camera to my portable hard drive. Lent me her personal laptop, her work laptop. So yeah, this hotel has been great. It's called Coast, as I said many times before, Coast to Boracay, Station 2.
I'm